Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-35F, the boiler safety valve top cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's click on Home, Advanced, MMGS. Alright, so let's go top, sketch, circle. That's going to be a diameter of 20. 20, beautiful. Got a height of 19. That can stay as mid-plane, that's fine. Now we're going to go to, nope, front plane, thank you. Normal and sketch. We're going to go to center point arc. Click once there, and once there, beautiful. So we just want like a quarter circle. So now line from there to there to there. And that should be a raise of 10. It is. Beautiful. Leave that there locked in. Beautiful. Now we want to go to feature, revolve base boss. Axis revolution. Yeah, it's already found that. Sorry. I'm expecting something else for some reason. And done. Look at that. That's that part done. Now we want to go bomb here, go to normal 2, sketch, one circle. That's going to be 16. So we got smart dimension. Thank you. 16. That's going to be extruded. Oh, sorry, not that one. Extrude cut. That's going to go in 8mm. Done. Now we want to go to sketch again. That one there, the one we just extruded. It's going to be another circle. That's going to be 13mm. So that's the mark dimension. 13. Feature. Extrude cut. That's going to be 11. And done. So you should have something like that. Now we want one more thing, which is the thread. So hole wizard, thread. We want 16mm. 16 and 1.5. Gonna start there, end there. Oh, sorry. Start there, but it doesn't change over automatically, which is kind of annoying. Maybe a reason why. And end there. We got trim and trim. It's gonna be cut thread, yes. Got it right that time. Yay! I'm gonna click the wrong one. So that should be it. Double check. Height 29, yep, rate is 10. That is looking good. Alright, that's part 3-35F, the boiler safety valve top cover done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, leave comments. Thank you everyone that has. Either way, all of them, part of, whichever. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.